How to fix TikTok live lag. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your TikTok live lagging problem. So first thing first, you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store or App Store, then search for TikTok. If you see update, tap on update, and if you see open, that means your application is already updated. Now for the next step, head over to your TikTok application. Get logged into your account, and then you have to clear the cache. So tap into your profile, then tap on three bar icon, select settings and privacy. Scroll all the way below. Under cache and cellular, you will see free up space. Tap onto it and then simply clear the cache. Tap clear. Again, tap on this plus icon and then go live. If it's still not fixing your problem, then you may want to go ahead and uninstall TikTok and reinstall again. As you reinstall your TikTok application, get logged into your account, try again, and also make sure that you are connected to a very stronger Wi-Fi connection for your live to not lag. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.